singing in the late 60s. Told about Studio One by Bob Marley. Music went up, down and around. If someone remember Burning Spear, if someone remember, if someone remember Burning Spear, if someone remember it, the music attention was in a different direction, not a burning direction. Spear been through his struggle with a lot of patience and discipline, never bow down. If someone remember Burning Spear, if someone remember, if someone remember Burning Spear, if someone remember him. I've been through the struggle like everyone, like the earlier musicians, blues musicians, jazz musicians, reggae musicians. I was going back and forth from St. Anne's to Kingston, 13 Brentford Road. Did someone remember Burning Spear? Did someone remember? Did someone remember Burning Spear? Did someone remember him? Many times I ain't got no bus fare, therefore I got to hitchhike a truck back. I am the stone that the builders refused. I am the stone that the builders refused. They put me aside, they passed me by, thinking I would cry. Stone don't cry, stone don't cry. Usually sit and kill and go preach, playing my congos and eating high times true. If someone remember Burning Spear, if someone remember, if someone remember Burning Spear, if someone remember him. The few soldiers that know me, they're either from Rufus or South. Talk about Kinaga Beach. If someone remember Burning Spear, if someone remember, if someone remember Burning Spear, if someone remember him, if someone remember Burning Spear, if someone remember, if someone remember Burning Spear, if someone remember him, if someone remember Burning Spear, if someone remember, if someone remember Burning Spear, Spear. Someone